Kulanggaw, nakita niyo ang mga past winners ng Binibining Pilipinas, ang mga pinadala sa iba't ibang bansa upang i-representa ang Pilipinas. Ngayon natutuhayan niyo naman, ang mukhang kailanman ay hindi magre-represent. Inlolo ko lang isa. Pinaghandaan ko ang gabi ito dahil magtutos kami ni Catriona. Sa sobrang paghahanda ko, itong suit ko, ay mukha akong puno ng sabi. Sabi ko sa designer ko, ayusin, kaya naman kakaiba ako, ayan, mukha akong puso ng sabi. Nagulo kami parang, yung mukha, balang yung tsura, manananggal na. Inausap ko si Mac Tuma. Sabi ko, Mac Tuma, gawan mo naman ako ng damit. Tininay niya akong gawan ng damit. Sinukat niya. Kaya nung pagsukat sa akin, tinanggal niya rin. Dahil yung Mac Tuma, nung sunod ko, nagmukhang timang. Kaya sabi ko, huwag na masasira ang karir ko, kaya hindi ako nakapagsuot. Itong damit ko ay napaka-memorable sa akin ito dahil malaga ang tao nagmamayari ng damit. I want to say thank you to my dad. Sa tatay ko talaga ito kinaliitan niya. Galit na galit niya ang tatay ko na nakita niya sinuot ko. Sabi niya, ba't sinusuot ko niya? Ayaw niya kasi ginagamit yung gamit niya. Kaya nung nakita ko ito sa closet ng tatay ko, sabi ko, tayo, ba't ganyan namin mo? Bakla ka ba? Sabi niya, ewan ko ba? Ganyan rin naman ang lolo mo noon. Sasabi ko, ano, bakla tayo lahat? Baka naging tradisyon na lang. Ngayon pa man, alam kong lahat kayo, katulad ko ay nanood ng Miss Universe 2018. Lahat tayo aligaga, lahat tayo gumising ng napakaaga para masaksihan ang laban ni Catriona at samahan natin siya noong araw na yon. Tama?
Yes!
Lahat tayo kinakabahan, tama?
Yes!
Lahat tayo pinipilit ang makina tuwing ka i-announce, tama?
Yes!
Isa ko kayo, at kung kaisa ko kayo, everybody say, "Oo!" Kahit si Mrs. Araneta, nakita ko sabi niya, "Oo!" At hindi lang yan, nung in-announce mismo ni Steve Harvey na si Catriona Gray ng Pilipinas ang Miss Universe 2018, ay ba, nagkagulo sa buong bahay namin. Matapos makipagkabugan ni Catriona, kami namang magkakaibigan sa bahay ang nagbubugan. Panoorin niyo yung video. Sa bulutan, si Pana, tadyakan at ibang klaseng ma-excite talaga ang mga Pinoy katulad ko. At siguradong ma-excite na naman tayong lahat dahil eto na. Makakatsikahan ko na. Makakatsikahan ko na nga ngayon ang nag-isa at mahal na mahal natin. Please welcome back Miss Universe 2018, Miss Catriona Gray. Miss Universe 2018. In-invite mo pa talaga ako dito. Talaga lang hindi mabubuo ang gabi lang hindi tayo magkakaniin. Bagay talaga tayong dalawa, di ba? Wala pa question na sa na-exploran mo na ako. Christmas, nagmukha akong The Grinch. Ano naman? Ano mo tayo dalawa? Bakit yung upuan niya ang ganda yung sa akin parang, ano to? Parang galing ang kalangitan, ito parang galing ang purgatorio na. Pero ako makalagat ng demonyo rito, hindi ko ako nakapaksan na galing. Okay, sit down. Yung sa'yo may ulan pa. Yung sa akin yung mga ganito, pati parang lalagyan ng mga ribbon. Yung sa'yo maganda yung sa akin lalagyan ng ribbon, alaala ng mga magulang. Okay. Ano ba yung upo? Ganyan dapat. Nakaipit sa... Hirap naman dyan. Kamusta ka? Ayos na tayo dyan. lang po ba? Meron ka na makakaroon ng interview, mukhang addict yung Pero bagay pala tayo sa isang frame, no? Vice and Kat, ay parang pwede tayong ano ngayon, tandem. Kasi nung nanalo si Tia, napakaswerte ko. Kasi pinagbigyan ako ni Pia Wordstack na sumama sa pelikula ko, napakaswerte ko. Baka pwede naman tayong susunod. Vice and Kat, ang pangalan ng team up natin, Vakat. Vice and Kat, Vakat! Ang ganda-ganda mo. Alam mo, ilang beses ka nakita, pero nasa starstruck ako talaga sa'yo. Napakaganda mo. Ganito-ganito ang nararamdaman mo kung tuwing nananalaro na ako tuwing umaga. Sexy mo. Kaya naman, nilalima ko yung damit ko. Sabi ko, lalima ko pa yung mukhang may goiter ako sila. Napakaganda mo. Kasi ang ganda ng pamilya mo.
Thank you.
Nakita ko yung nanay at tatay mo kanina.
Sobrang ganda ng
Ang ganda ng nanay mo. At yung tatay mo mukhang may-ari ng KFC.
You know, when I was a little girl, everyone would be like, is that your grandpa? Hindi naman po.
Kasi kung Santa Claus. Anyway, Santa Claus, lolo natin yan. Pero your dad is so handsome. Hi, Daddy! Hi, Daddy! Your daughter is so beautiful. Can I be your daughter also? You have choices. I will be your daughter or will make another daughter. That's your choice. Pero gabi talaga ng tatay mo kung may dalang manok. Daddy, may isang bakit naman siya. Yung tatay ko tumatawa na lang, pero hindi niya alam siya yung pinagtatawa na lang. Joke lang. Okay, mag-chikahan tayo. Bakit tayo magtuloy-tuloy? I want to say thank you very much for allowing me to interview you tonight.
Siyempre, Ate Vice, I wanted to guest on GGB before I
You're
left.
so busy. She was actually scheduled to guest, di ba? Kaya lang na-cancel dahil ang dami mong ganap. Siyempre, ayoko naman maabala ka sa pag-prepare mo for Miss Universe.
True, but at least mas bongga yung set natin.
Okay, so nilalait mo yung set ng Miss Universe. Nakabunggang set.
But at least nakalawag ako today.
O bakit? Nakapuro lang sa akin. Sabi ko yung itsura natin dalawa. Galactic na may itsura. Anyway, eto na, magtanong na tayo. Kasi syempre, kami lahat ng mga Miss Universe fanatics, ang dami namin mga tanong sa mga sarili namin. Diba kung anong mga nagaganap bago mag-Miss Universe, kung anong nagaganap sa backstage, diba kung paano kayo nakikisa na mukha sa isa't isa. Pero bago ka pumunta ng Thailand, syempre, di ba lumalabas na yung mga pictures ng mga candidates from around the world, di ba? Kung sino yung mga kasali. Nung nakita mo yung mga pictures online, sino yung, nung nakita mo sa, ay, mukhang ito mabigat kong kalaban. Sino yung kinabahan ka?
From pictures lang.
Sa pictures
beauty
pa
lang.
lang.
Sobrang ganda si Miss Russia, Hungary, Jamaica,
Ang gaganda rin na lahat sa pictures kung nakita mo.
yun nga.
Pero lahat sila hindi sumema, yung mga nabanggit ko. So sabi sa inyo, huwag ginagawa mo wala sa litrato, hindi ka Instagram mo ang daming likes. Likes na nakuhanan. Diba? Siyempre sa picture, budol is real. Pero sa pictures yung isa, ay, ito, ang gaganda nila. Talagang feeling mo, mahigpit mo silang kalaban.
Beauty of face-wise lang.
Oo, face-wise. Pero nung nagpunta ka na doon, nung nasa Thailand ka na, nakita mo sila sa personal, sino yung, yung namangha kayo, kahit pa paano na starstruck ka na.
Starstruck. It always in my mind si Miss Russia because she looks like a Barbie doll in real life, like not even a pore. As if...
You're really beautiful, but you tend to be very offensive at times. as you were saying, walang kapor-por.
As in, like, parang ka lang siya.
Oh. Parang ganito lang. May 4 ako pero 4, kaya 4s. Si Miss Rasha talaga, ang ganda sa
She's the one
personal.
that's stuck in my mind because every time you see her, she just...
Mabait siya.
Oh.
Talaga.
Actually, well, in the batch, actually, even when I'm talking to yung housemate ko, si Miss USA, she
Si Miss USA ba housemate mo?
Oo.
Di ba na-bash you? Huwag ka naman nakikipag-ibigan doon. Napatawa lang ako. Mabait naman. Mabait yun. Actually, nakasama ko siya isang araw. Bumibigyan sa timog eh. Oo, nakasabay ko. Nasa 7-Eleven, bumibili ng hotdog. Sabi ko, ito pala yung Miss USA. Mabait naman. She was nice. Everyone was nice.
Wala akong experience na, everyone was just friendly. I didn't have that, some people are like, baka backstage, there's sabotage, or there's mean girls, but I didn't have the experience.
Yung top 3 mo,
Oh,
nung habang tumatagal na, bago yung coronation night, sino yung parang sabi mo, ay, ito makakasama ko sa top 3?
top 3. I really saw, like, South Africa and Venezuela were very strong. Even from before the ban. Venezuela was one of the first girls to be crowned. And her walk is killer. Like, I love her rap walk. And then South Africa naman very well spoken. I also felt that Costa Rica was very strong because she seemed very natural in her personality, the way that she was really friendly. Sino pa ba?
Tama na, top 3 lang, di ba?
May option.
Magaling siya talaga, pero hindi na siya sa math. Buti ka naman. Buti ka naman nagmath sa Miss Universe mo. Tapos nung dalawa na lang kayo ni Miss, sino ba yung...
South Africa.
South Africa. Di ba pag dalawa na kasi magkahawak kayo? Di ba lagi gano'n, magkahawak, nakabuto? Tapos hindi naman wala na kayo mikropono, nakikita na magkahawak sa galing. Ano ba sinasabi?
Did you read our list? What do you think
Hindi
we
ko
said?
nga eh, kasi tulala na ako nun eh. Ang mahal nagdadasal na ako nun. Philippines. Umaga na lang. Tapos nakikita ko, sinasabi ko, sabi ko, tayo na etso sa lang tayo ng dalawa to. Pero ito na nagmumurahan lang sila. Anong sinasabi?
It was more like, I said, I'm so happy to be here with you. I know whatever will happen, you'll be amazing. She said, you too, babe, you too.
Yuto lang. Yuto ko lang, wala masyadong message. Pero yun.
Kasi it was such a nerve-wracking moment kasi, sobrang...
Pero that moment, you knew it was gonna be you. Kasi we knew it.
Why were you praying?
We knew. From the very start, we knew it was gonna be you. How about you? Did you know it was gonna be you? Because if you knew that it was gonna be you, just like us, we knew it was gonna be you, then we
you.
all knew. Kasi yung ngiti mo, yung mukha mo, yung tindig mo, confident na tapos na yung laban.
But inside, grabe yung puso ko. As in, like, I felt like yeah, it was just that moment na parang the world shuts down and then you're just waiting for that one country to be called by Steve and you're hoping and praying that he says it right.
Tapos na.
You don't fear it, di ba?
So, ang nakakala ko doon, pag pag itong country, mag-aantay ka ng ilang segundo kasi baka mabawi. Pag sinabi, Philippines, ganyan ka pa. Kasi usually ko siya, Philippines, and then pag si Steve Harvey, Philippines, well, di ba? Pinutang mo eh. Ka, telegibi? Pag ikaw, well, personal na naman sinasabi, nangyari. Pero sa swimsuit, sino pinaka-sexy?
Costa Rica.
Talaga.
Yeah, she...
Anong waistline niya?
Natalie Carva.
I didn't know what with the measuring tape.
Ang talaga ng kurbada talaga.
Yung curves niya, grabe. Well, that's what I find beautiful.
Pero yung Rafa mo, parang ikaw yung pinaka-sense. Kasi siya, may hirap ako my English is, it's like my cell phone, it's low battery. You have to charge it every now and then. Sino pinaka-best friend?
Denmark and Sweden. They're my besties ever since. Actually, we're from the same batch of Miss World of 2016. So parang we're united. They came to visit the Philippines just after I won Binibini. Tapos they were on a trip from India. And then they were actually thinking, you know what, Kat, we'd actually like to try and compete din. And then Miss Denmark, she was appointed. And she was like, oh my gosh, Kat, we're gonna be together in Thailand. And then Miss Sweden, she competed and she won. So we were like, oh my god, we're all gonna be together!
Alam ko, kaya kami sabihin mo, hindi ko naiintindihan kasi hindi ko tingin. Yung mukha niya parang nangungusap. Promise, wala ko naiintindihan kasi napapakita lang ako sa'yo. Ang ganda talaga niya, yung parang, ano pinagkaiba namin? Dalawa rin ba ng mata ko? May butas din naman yung ilong ko. Ay, mali eh. Kaya pag sumasagot, hindi ko talaga naiintindihan. Tinitignan ko na, ang ganda na itong babae. Ilang taon ka na?
25.
25 ka na, ang fresh mo pa. Ako 24 pa lang, bulok na ako. So sa Miss Universe, pag wala activities, yung mga fellow candidates, paano bang pinag-uusapan nyo? Tungkol pa rin sa contest?
Actually, no. We talk about food. Because we're always hungry. And also about our countries. Or parang we're sharing about, for me, the Philippines. I keep saying, have you ever visited? Come visit our beaches. Come visit our mountains.
Pag tinanong ko anong masarap ng food sa Philippines, ano sasabi?
I always say halo-halo.
Oh!
Also because they're like, what is in halo-halo? And when you explain, they're like, corn with purple ice cream.
Anong purple ice cream? Sa edad ko, doon malapit akong pumanaw, hindi ko alam na kung hindi purple ice cream. I thought ube in English was halaye. Wasn't it halaye? Over all this time, I thought ube was halaye. It's purple ice cream. Ube. Ano pa tinanong, what else? What are the other ingredients? Did you tell them about kao? You know what kao is? Kao! You asked her that about kao. Daddy, do you know what kao is?
Phone a friend.
Natalie, coco and kao, it's that white thingy. Yeah, it's very sweet. May mga ganon-ganon. Did you tell them about edible? Edible. You don't know what edible is? It's edible. It depends on what school you're from. From our school, we say edible. How about from your school?
Adobo?
Adobo. It's adobo. When it's fully cooked, it's adobo. But when it's hard, it's adobe. Nagtatanong pa sila kasi yung iba, pinapatikin nila adobo. Did you ever cook for them?
Kaming kitchen job.
Wala kayong kitchen? Mahirap pala itong Miss Universe. Wala pa kitchen.
May buffet, lunch, and dinner.
Oh, isa siya. Buffet. Paano ba kumakain yung buffet? Sinisila din ito kayong 150 per head? Libre na. Akala ko may per head pa pinilitin. But how about when you learn about the all-women panel of judges? What was your reaction? Were you surprised? Especially after learning that two of the judges were Filipinos. What was your reaction?
I didn't realize two of them were Filipino because I didn't know Monique Dolier was a Filipino.
Oh. Because, you know, everyone knows she is
Yes.
Monique Louvillier. Abroad, it's Louvillier. Here, the pawn shop, it's Monique Louvillier.
No, but it was so nice to swear that the judging panel was all women because, in a way, they are just reinforcing, empowering women and allowing them to make decisions of who the next Miss Universe should be.
But when you learn na may dalawang Filipinas, ano ba yun? Feeling mo ba, edge mo yun? Advantage? Or somehow, kinabahan ka? Kasi di ba pagkakwa mo, Pilipina yung nagja-judge?
I felt like I had to prove myself kasi parang people would say, oh, she won because there's
Yes.
two Filipino judges. So even more, I had to prove that I deserved it.
And it was very evident na ikaw talaga ng Miss Universe. Wala namang nag-question nun. Kitang-kita naman talaga ang pagkakapanalo. The beauty of the Philippines just came shining through. Ang parang katanang pala yun. Okay, nitong mga nakaraang taon sa Miss Universe, patindi ng patindi ang mga tanong kasi hindi lang isa ang round ng question and answer, di ba? Dalawa.
Top 5, top 3.
Ang dami, hindi lang isang tanong, di ba? Ang hirap-hirap, ilang beses mong patutunayan na talagang matatas yung utak mo at magaling kang magsalita. Di ba? Yung mga past winners natin, syempre, we had, of course, the awards band. We had Miss Gloria Romero. Miss Gloria Diaz, di ba? At syempre, is Margie Moran, di ba? Pinanood mo ba kung paano sila sumagot dahil? Okay, kunyari tatanong ko sa'yo yung tinanong sa isa sa kanilang tatlo na nanalo ng Miss Universe family. Tanongin natin yung tanong niya yung kay Miss Margie Moran. Kasi di ba yung tanong sa kanya parang dito yun. Okay, alam ka na. Hindi yun. Okay. Ano doon pala? Farsighted ako. Pakilapit yung TV. Okay. Ito yung tanong na tinanong kay Miss Margie Moran na siya inanalo sa Miss Universe. Sabi ng host, let's make believe that all of a sudden, you have $1 million. What's the first thing you would buy and why would you buy it?
$1 million? I would go to Young Focus who are sitting up somewhere there and I would tell them where do they want their new center to be because it's really what they need. They have so many passionate teachers who want to teach. They have so many children that want to have access to education and they just need the space.
Ano ulit? You would share the money with other people. At i-share at gagawa ka ng bagong center.
Because I don't need $1 million. I'm happy where I am. And you know, if you can make a change to someone else's life, it's more fulfilling than going to bed being like, okay, yes, I have a lot of money. But I've just changed my own life. But if you're able to share it to other people, mas fulfilling yan.
Kasi syempre, yung ibang tao, di ba, yung kunyari ako sasabihin ko yun. Pag tinanong ako, may $1 million ako. Sabi ko agad, I will tour the world with my boyfriend. That's going to be very selfish of me to say so. But your answer, it was so generous. And it's authentic. It's so genuine. I can see it in your eyes. You have the heart for other people. And that's why you want this universe. Hindi mo alam kung paniniwalaan mo ako. Kung iniisip, joke ba itong bakla to? Totoo yung sinasabi. Okay. Ang galing-galing mo talagang sumagot. Pero, napalitaan mo ba yung Miss Q&A sa show namin? Ay, nag-judge ka pala ng first, Miss Q&A. Tapos kahapon yung second naman. Kunyari, ganun yung mga klaseng tanong na itatanong sa'yo. Paano mo kaya sasagutin yung ganun klase yung mga tanong? Kasi siyempre, prepared ka sa mga matino ang tanong. Prepared ka dun sa mga...
Pero sa nakawit eh.
Oo, yung mga walang kakwenta-kwenta tanong. Diba? Kunyari, ang itatanong sa'yo.
Bakit white ang...
Kung papipiliin ka, anong pipiliin mo? Ang sampalin ka ng katotohanan o sampalin ka ni Wolverine?
Si Wolverine!
Si Wolverine.
Kasi I would just use something to hit him with. I wouldn't go near him kasi may metal siya. So, kaya dyan si Wolverine!
Pwede ka nakikita ko kita! Nagulat ako sa kala ko may umatake na sa akin. Wala ko yung tatay mo na sa likod ko na pinatukan ako. Ayoko talaga. Hindi ako masukat.
This is how I felt when it comes to Miss Universe.
Naloka. So ano ulit yun? Si Wolverine ang pipiliin mo kasi
Kasi I would just do it from a distance with something so I don't have to go near him kasi may close siya.
makakaiwas ka at lalabanan mo si Wolverine. Sa pagsuot na naman naglaban, hindi mo lang pinatapos sa
Bigat to ah.
Yung laban mo, ikaw nag-design mo, ikaw ang magsasabi, ikaw ang
No, it was my mentor, si Kuya Kaloy, Carlos Buendia. He named the walk the Lava Walk. Siya yung actually responsible for my walk and personality from training din.
Oh.
But he took the inspiration kasi my mom, my beautiful mom, her family is from Oas, Albay.
So, buwan, gusto ko malapit ang Mayon Volcano.
Yes.
Di ba? Saan ka bang
And
Mayon
of
Volcano?
course, she had the dream when I was younger.
Ano magiging mo?
And when I was younger, that I would be in Miss Universe in a red dress. So that's why I chose the color red. And then Mac Tumang, the designer, he came up with the concept of an old Tumang Mayon.
Napanaginipan na pala ng mami mo. Tama, tutuin mo napapanaginipan ng nanay. Alam niyo naman napanaginipan ng nanay. Kasi sa mga iyan ng nanay, kasi ko napanaginipan ko kasi namatay ka. Sabi sa akin, ano magkano? Wala ko sabi ko nanay, kaya hindi niya muna yung pananaginip. Okay. Bukod sa pagkakapanalo mo, isa rin sa mga pinag-usapan ng Miss Universe ay yung kauna-unahang pagkakataon na nagsali sa transgender from Miss Spain. Diba? At nung natanong ka rin tungkol doon, maganda yung explanation mo at maganda yung opinion mo. Diba? Yung opinion mo ay ikinagalak ng LGBT community.
Because I really believe that beauty queens were there for more than just a facade. We stand for something. I stand for education and also HIV and AIDS awareness. And Miss Faye, she stood for the transgender community. And her participation opened up the conversation. So many people were talking about it. And I think that's what we need to do to lead the way to inclusivity and understanding. Because there's so much that we need to do in order to serve the transgender community better.
Sa Miss Universe, allowed niya. Kasi syempre, yung organization, may sarili silang mga panuntunan at mga pamantayan na sinusunod. Sa Miss Universe, allowed sa Miss Universe organization. Diba? Pero kunyari, kung si Ma'am Stella, tatanungin ka. Kasi syempre, sa Pilipinas, hindi pa yan nag-try. Paano bang tinanong si Ma'am Stella? Sa palagay mo ba, okay na tayong i-open ito sa mga transgender women ang Pilipinas? What would you tell them?
Of course, for Bini, it is the sole discretion of Manam. But from my point of view, I see nothing wrong with it because, again, that's what we stand for. We're moving towards a more inclusive and more respectful competition in the world of pageantry. So why not open it up in that way? Mas masaya din, feeling ko.
Paano pag sinabi ni Miss Stella na ako yung unang transgender?
24 ka pa.
Ano no?
24 ka pa.
Ano, itong next question natin.
Bakit ka sa page?
Ito talaga mahamak yung mga tanong. The rainbow flag is now raised as Miss Universe 2018 what is your message now to the members of the LGBT community? Kasi lahat sila mahal na
And I love them. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always staying strong and showing the Philippines as a shining beacon across the world. How we can love the LGBTQ community. How they are beginning to accept and not just tolerate the community. And we are opening up our arms to everyone. And I hope that other countries will see that and want to replicate it too. I love you guys.
We love you very much. Okay, pag-usapan naman natin, ikaw talaga, yung pagkatao ni Katsuyo Unigrave. Kasi sinasabi nila, ikaw you're the most perfect Universe. Oo. Gaano maka-perfect si Katsuyo? Perfect ka ba talaga? Wala ka bang kapintasan? Napapanis ba ang laway mo pag natutulog? Ano ba? Nagkakamuta ka ba? Ano bang pagkakaparehas na ng bilang mga pangkaraniwang tao kami?
Hindi ako perfect, guys. Like everyone, I have like insecurities, I have flaws. I
May
have
enjoy ka ba? Sumisiksik din may mga pagkain sa hipon mo minsan. Tapos ginukuha mo ng dalinan, pinipitit mo pag ulit.
I feel like it's being in pageants, people have the perception na beauty queens are sobrang perfect, parang walking Barbie dolls lang kami. But really, well, I know I've been through my own trials and challenges, just like Pia has, just like every other woman who just stepped out on the stage, just like everyone else goes through. We just happen to be able to wear beautiful dresses on stage and be dolled up in hair and makeup, but you know, we're not perfect, and that's okay, because perfect doesn't exist. Guys.
Perfect doesn't exist. Oh my God. I don't exist.
No, you make exception too.
Okay. So masasabi namin si Katsuyo at kami, parang may isa lang tayo. Ikaw yung bituin na hindi malayo-malayo sa amin. Dahil di ba, ikaw yung pagiging Pilipino, ganoon din kami. Marami tayong share ng pagkakaparehas kahit Miss Universe ka nagkataong may corona ka. Nagkataong may corona ka lang. Pero parehas na naman tayo mga tao, wala masyadong pinagkaiba. So minsan, nangyayari rin ba sa'yo na yung kasi isang grupo kayo, tapos may umamoy na sa di ka umaamin. Ginagawa ka ng Miss Universe. Ang Miss Universe, manuutot din ang Miss Universe. Ang may kaharap na galang-galang na tao.
Ano ba? I'm not a unicorn din For normal person lang ako.
So nangyayari din sa iyo. Tapos pag tinanong ko
In
ikaw,
public, not yet.
talaga? So ano nakakausap yung pwet mo? Dito.
Not right now.
Sa akin kasi, rebelde. Pag sinabing no, gagawin. Siya, matigas sa ulo. Kaya minsan nga, biglang, hindi ako yun. Magaling ako magtubo. Diba? Okay. Katulad na sinabi ko na marami talagang tumatawag sa inyo hashtag best Miss Universe ever. Pero sinabi ko nga, wala namang perfect. Sa palagi mo, bakit kanina sinasabi ng hashtag best Miss Universe ever?
I just feel like I tried to make it more than me. I always wanted to bring the Philippines with me in the journey, whether it be in my clothing, using our fabrics, whether it be in the national costume, sharing our culture of dance, and also researching the different island groups, or even representing our kids in my final words and the work that I do in Tondo, Manila. I've always wanted to make it more than me. I've always wanted to include the Philippines, and that's why I feel like the Filipino people are really happy with me.
At alam mo, masaya kami, lalong-lalo na yung mga taga-Tondo, kasi ang pinasikat mo yung lugar na Tondo, at itinugtong mo sa Tondo yung silver lining. Diba? Parang may, at saka diba, ang dami na tuloy nagkakaroon ng ideya na may magaganda at inspiring ang Tondo. Kasi diba dati pag sinabi ng Tondo, nakakatakot, pangit na lugar. Ganun ang connotation ng Tondo eh. Pero dahil sa'yo, ang Tondo ay naging lugar ng inspirasyon.
Also, kasi when you talk to yung mga bata, yung families, yung parents, yung staff, and teachers, and you hear their stories, they're beautiful in a way, and it inspires you. And that's the beauty I meant of the visual beauty. Because it is a poverty-stricken place, but it's in the stories, it's in the people, it's in the kids that you see the beauty.
At dahil kapatid, maluwag sa kalooban mo para sa amin, para sa akin, your hashtag Best Miss Universe. Congratulations! I would like to congratulate myself dahil ang laking pagkakataon, ang laking oportunidad sa akin na makausap ka ngayon sa harapan ng napakaraming magagandang tao dito.
Thank you, Ate Kai.
Maraming salamat. I love you.
I love you!
I love you very much. Isang karangalan po talaga sa akin, or better yet, isang corona para sa akin na makausap si Catriona Gray. Pinasaya mo kami, pinabili, pinapadyak, pinatadyak, pinatumbling, lahat ginawa namin sa sobrang kasiyahan. Maraming salamat sa iyo.